Hey folks and welcome, my name is Eddie and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a SIM card to your Galaxy A13. So right now you can see that here on the top emergency calls only, no SIM card. So you have a message here that tells you that the phone needs a SIM card. Let's see how we can add one. So let's take the pin. This one didn't come with this phone, this is my pin, but you will get something similar with the phone. And then here on the left side, just put the needle right into this hole. And all you need to do is just press a little bit here and you will see the tray will come out a little bit. So now let's take out the tray, just gently, slowly take it out. And here we have 3 slots. So the first one is for the micro SD card. Here you will put your primary SIM card and here you will put your secondary SIM card. So let's do that. I'm going to take my primary SIM card and just put it here like this. Now if you're not sure from which side to put the SIM card, you don't have to worry about that because it's going to fit only from one side. If I turn around, you can see that from this side you cannot add anything here, but from this side you can. So just gently push your card down and it's going to fit perfectly into this hole. So you can see now, even if I flip, it's not going to fall down. So in this place you're going to put your primary card. If you have a secondary, it's going to go here. Now let's put it back to the phone. So again, just put it here and now gently press little by little. And alright, now just turn on the phone. And once you turn on the phone, you can see now I need to add my SIM card pin. Once I do that, now here on the top, you will see this is the network here. So the message is changed. It doesn't say anymore that the SIM card is missing. And this is pretty much it. So you can start using your phone now. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was useful to you. If it was, please hit that like button. It really means a lot to me. Thanks for watching again, have a nice day and see you in the next one.